Teaching tip number 3 for new Pilates instructors. I suggest that you practice your class out loud. Don't just take what you've put on your piece of paper and just keep it in your head. Actually, physically talk your class out loud. So think about, how am I going to get my client into the position? Hello, everybody. It's lovely to see you today. Let's all come and lie down on the mat. We're going to lie on our backs, heels in line with the sitting bones, knees directly up towards the ceiling, relaxing your arms down next to you, and just gently start breathing in and out. Practice saying these things out loud. Listen to the tone of your voice. Practice what you're going to say and how you're going to say it, so that when you actually get to do the class, you have said it all before and it feels a lot